Mel back again on my Soapbox channel to give you guys yet another video, and today we're back on the Forex learning journey. Okay, today we're gonna get going and talking about the difference between a demo account and a live account, why you should use a demo account, why you wouldn't use a demo account, and why you should use and when you're ready to use a live account. Okay, so I'm gonna make myself smaller so we can hop into it. Today is gonna be pretty short and sweet. But I feel like this is important to talk about because as a beginner, I had no clue that there was anything such as a demo account. And if you're a new trader, you might not know this either if you don't have anyone to tell you. So here I am, being the amazing friend that I am to you, making sure that you just don't blow your account straight out the gate, okay? So let's just write down, let me see, say a demo. I'm gonna try not to obsess over my handwriting, even though I really feel like, hold on, this could be better, so we're gonna make it better. Hold on. All right, you guys, so let's just hop right into it. Just let me write this really quick. Hey, how I have to keep adjusting, but it's okay. Just want you guys to be able to read. Okay, demo. Okay, that's as good as it's gonna get right now. All right, so for a demo account, basically, that just means it's like a fake account. It's not fake in a sense. Well, yeah, it's basically a fake account. So I think that it's very important for you guys to utilize the demo. I'm going to be utilizing the demo a lot. I think a lot of people get into Forex for the wrong reasons. A lot of people think that Forex is a get-rich-quick scheme and they want to hop into the markets as soon as possible. And I feel like that's just a good way to lose money. I actually feel like the more anxious you are as a newbie, someone who doesn't know anything about Forex, to someone who's actively learning about it, if you're that eager to get into the markets, it's probably a good sign that you're in a desperation vibe, and you don't want to be that way when you're trading, because if you lose money, for instance, you might just make some really horrible decisions. And the best traders are the ones who can be calm, level-headed, not too greedy, you know, someone who is going to be able to remain calm and also just learn the skill. You know, you want to learn the skill, so that's why you want to be right here in the demo account. Okay, so I got my phone out so I can show you guys how to use the demo account, or how to make one if you have MT4. So if you have MT4, this is MetaTrader. Let me see. I think I'm already signed into mine. Let's see, history. So you will go to your settings, and then you would go to new account. And you can use the demo account that's right here. It says open a demo account, or you can also add another different platform. I use FX Sway, so you could type that in and basically you just follow the queue. It'll take you, you just give your information, you give your name, your number, your email, whatever it's asking for, a username, and then it'll guide you through the remaining steps in order to secure your demo account. And this demo account will look exactly like a real live market. It actually is a live market. It is the actual numbers, so you can actually trade and get trade ideas, input lot sizes, and really learn the platform prior to jumping into live. Now, live is obviously exactly what it sounds like. That means you live and you in the game. Okay, this is when you're using real money, and there are going to be real consequences and real rewards for your actions. Okay, so that's why it's important for you guys to first demo. A professional said that demoing for about 30 days prior to hopping into your live account is probably best, because you want to really learn the platform. You want to also focus on what currency pair do you actually want to trade. Okay, so pick a currency pair that you want to master. You don't want to be hopping all over the markets, because if you do that, you're not really learning. You want to get in and start with one or two currency pairs that you want to watch and actively trade on your demo account. And as you get more comfortable on your demo account, then you can hop into live. So it's suggested that you start your live account with at least $1,000. But if you don't have that, you can start off lower. Just make sure that your lot size is the correct size, which will be this, okay? So demos are great. You want to learn how to input, your trades. If you want to implement stop losses and take profit lines and stuff like that, you need to practice in your demo account, because the last thing you want to do is not know what a stop loss is, and you go into your live account and then guess what? You are, let's use the red, okay? Losing, a big loser. You don't want to be a big loser, okay? You don't want to be in the whole $800 because you didn't know what you were doing and you went for the big money and you losing $10 per pip, okay? You don't want to do that. And even if you do have the money, you still want to make sure that you're starting off with the proper lot size, and make sure your margins are correct, okay, and appropriate, because you don't want to just be blowing your account. Now, I'm not saying that you're not going to blow your account even if you do everything right, but your chances of blowing your account are significantly less if you start with the demo, okay? You want to learn. This is my motto. We grow accounts, we don't blow accounts, okay? So this is my lesson for today, you guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed this. This is a heart, just because I like to doodle. But anyway, I suggested you guys hop into that demo today. Learn, check out all the different lot sizes, see what actually happens if you put in a lot size that's bigger, so you can see how quickly the numbers can really go up or down in either direction. My mentor that I had started with, she suggested when she was showing me the demo account to put in an order or put in like a sell or a buy for all different three lot sizes, just so you can visually see the difference between what you'll be making, whether that's a couple dollars, a couple $100, or like 50, whatever, just check it out, get familiar, take your time, check out each pair, see which one you would actually want to trade in live, kind of get a feel for the charts and all this different stuff. And then when you're ready, you can hop in with the big boys and make some money in your live account. All right, you guys, stay posh and stay cute. This was a quick one, but I'll definitely be continuing this series. It's helping me to stay motivated and to remind myself to keep learning and keep pacing myself. I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you learned something new, or if you just enjoyed the time we spent together, okay? All right, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.